There's just one point when I was just like, you know what, forget this. Even if I don't succeed, I'm gonna die trying. I'm going to die trying. I took all that negative energy that people were pouring onto me. Even my own family doubted me. What is going on, man? I just hope I didn't wake my mom up, because she will be mad at me if I woke her up. I hope you guys are doing good, bro. You feel what I'm saying? I just finished a gym session, just came home, and a thought dawned on me that I thought I'd share with you guys. You feel me? Use negativity as fuel. All those motherfuckers doubting you. And I want you to feel what I'm saying. I don't want you to hear what I'm saying, because hearing and feeling something are two different things. I want you to feel what I'm saying deep intrinsically in your soul. Use negativity as fuel. Use those people doubting you, those people bullying you, those people who do not believe in you. Use that as fuel and motivation to improve and excel and get to the next level. My first ever girlfriend, I don't know if I've told you guys this story before, my first ever girlfriend cheated on me. Even if it wasn't because I was fat, I tied it to the fact that I was fat. And guess what it did? It made me hungry to lose the fat. In my head, I don't know the reason why she cheated on me, and to this day I still don't know. But what I said to myself was, okay, the reason she cheated on me is quite clearly because I'm fat, right? Now, that might not have been the reason, but when you tie negativity to another negative thing, you can get positivity out of it. Does that make sense? People doubted me all the time. People used to bully me, and I got to my breaking point. I got so sick of people grabbing. You know when people grab your chest and they squeeze your chest, and people taking advantage of you, people hitting you, people looking down upon you, doing that kind of shit, yeah. It infuriated me, but I was so scared of rocking the boat. I was a people pleaser, right? I was scared of rocking the boat and of expressing myself and expressing that I don't like this shit. And that's how I ballooned up. A lot of people don't know I got fat. The reason I got fat is because I was so mad that people used to bully me, but instead of actually voicing up and standing up for myself, I used food to cope. I used food as a coping mechanism, and it worked. You know, it made me feel better. Me eating a lot of food made me feel better about being bullied, feeling like I'm worthless. People used to use me for whatever they wanted. If it was girls, they wanted to use me for attention. They'd always call me like, oh, my boyfriend's done this now, he's done that now, he's done this now. I was that guy. I didn't have any self-respect. I didn't value myself. And then one day, all these things dawned on me. I remember this day specifically. I was literally sat in the bathtub, right? I was sat in the bathtub, but what I used to do is I was feeling sad on that day, okay? What I used to do when I felt sad was I'd go into a dark room, and in silence, in a bath, and it'd be completely black, like I can't see anything, right? And I'd been there for hours. You know when you come out of the pool, right, or water, and you're wrinkly and shit, you know you've been in there for hours, right? That's what I used to do. I used to go in the water when it's boiling hot, right? Not like probably boiling hot, but like when it's really, really hot, uncomfortably hot, right? To torture myself. You feel me? And one time I was sitting in there, I was just contemplating my whole life. I was like, do I want this to be the rest of my life? Do I want people to keep looking at me like this fat obese guy? Looking down upon me, using me? Do I want to keep being this guy? And the answer was no. And I was like, okay, what do I need to do? Quite clearly was, okay, I need to get in shape. But it wasn't easy. Because the first week I went to the gym, I didn't see any results. Because I was thinking, I used to see these guys on YouTube, and they used to be like, oh, 6-minute abs, all this crap, right? You can get abs in 6 minutes. All you need to do is this little 6-minute high intensity interval workout. This hit cardio workout, right? And I don't know if you guys remember those guys. That's actually funny. But yeah, I used to watch those guys all the time, you know, and they used to lie to us just to make money, you know. Of course, they're not around nowadays because people have woken up. But, you know, I didn't see results in the first week, second week, or in the first month, and it discouraged me. So I didn't go to the gym for a long time. And I kept giving up on myself. And then there's just one point when I was just like, you know what, forget this. Even if I don't succeed, I'm gonna die trying. I'm going to die trying. I took all that negative energy that people were pouring onto me. Even my own family doubted me. You know how fucked up that is? Even my own family doubted me, bro. My aunties, they'd be like, oh, you never lose weight. With the way you eat, with the way you don't exercise, you don't take the gym seriously. You know, oh, look at you eating again, ha ha ha, you never lose weight. All these things played in my mind. right? These things haunted me on a daily basis. Doubting me. You're worthless, you're pathetic, you're worthless, you're pathetic. I used to play over all these people, what people said to me all the time. Even a girl one time said, like, there was a girl that I was friends with, like, I really liked her, right? And I told her I liked her, you know? I finally got the courage, I said to her, yo, I really, like, I like you, I felt like I really like you. And she said, oh, you know, you're a great guy, alright? But you're fat. Dead ass. She said to me, you're a great guy. I love your personality, but you're fat. You know? And even though at the time I took that the wrong way, I'm glad that girl said that to me. Right? I'm not gonna say the girl's name because I've got some guys who I used to go to high school with, and you know, I don't wanna cause any shit, but her saying that to me, you're fat, it did something to me. It bothered me, right? It bothered me. I was like, I do not want this to be the rest of my life. This will not be my personality trait for the rest of my life. I'm not going to let people use my weight against me ever again. I'm not going to let people take my kindness for weakness ever again. So I started hitting the gym. Slowly improving, steadily improving, right? And then one day people started saying to me, bro, like people who hadn't seen me in a long time, yo, like, the gym works, bro. Shit. You're looking good, bro. Now, I didn't see it myself because obviously you see yourself every day, right? People are going to acknowledge your progress before you, right? People who used to know you back in the day, before you, because you see yourself every day. You go through the struggles every day. You don't really, you look like, oh shit, I look different. You just get used to seeing yourself, right? But then when people who haven't seen you in a long time, they'll be like, raw, you're looking crazy, you're looking different, you know? So the message I'm trying to relate to you guys is use negativity. Whether a girl cheated on you, a girl rejected you, anything. Whatever you want to accomplish, here's a little secret hack for you. Whatever you want to accomplish, take what somebody said to you, like a sly comment and negativity, and tie it to the fact that you haven't got the thing you're trying to accomplish, if that makes any sense. So let's say, for example, you're fat, yeah, and the girl rejects you. Even if she didn't reject you because you're fat, in your head, tell yourself, she rejected me because I'm fat. That's going to do something deep in your soul to make you want to change and improve yourself, right? And you know what the greatest thing is? When all these people who doubt you, like in the last video I made about the Michael B. Jordan thing, all these people who doubt you, they're going to look at you. Oh my God, how did you do it? Like they've got amnesia, right? So keep striving for success. Keep striving to become better. Keep improving yourself, right? Self-improvement is a lifelong journey, right? You will never be the complete package, right? You will never be done. Ever. You understand what I'm saying? Ever. But anyways, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to make it too long for you guys, you know what I'm saying? Anything you want me to guys to chat about, let me know in the comments, you know what I'm saying? Obviously, you guys DM me feel free. I'll put my Instagram on the screen, you feel me? I post a lot of fitness content on there. My TikTok, as you guys know what I'm saying. We're nearly on 40k on TikTok, which is crazy. So, my goal for the end of the year for this YouTube channel is to get to 10k, alright? Obviously, I know I need to be more consistent, you feel me? But I've just been gathering my ideas, gathering my thoughts. I don't want to just post crap for you guys. I don't want to just pump out a bunch of videos hoping something will do well, you feel me? I want to actually thoroughly research shit, you feel me, and let you guys, and you know, tie it obviously with my own experience and give you guys some quality video, quality content that you actually enjoy watching, and that's gonna help you improve. Because the things that have helped me the most is genuine stuff, people being genuine, not people saying something I want to hear, right? I don't want to tell you guys some fairy tales. I don't want to tell you guys some fake shit so you feel good. No, I'm going to tell you how it is, the truth. Even if it doesn't do that well, if it helps one of you motherfuckers out there, if it helps one of you guys out there, then my job's complete. Because if it helps one of you guys is gonna help more people. You could probably help more people than I can. You feel me? And that's what we need to do. We need to spread the message, help a lot more people. If it helps you, help somebody else, right? That's my mission. So anyways, I hope you guys, you know what I'm saying, enjoy. Subscribe, like the video, and I'll catch you in the next one, man. Peace.